Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, I'm here to talk to you guys about a project I mentioned a while back that has launched on Solana. Now, this is a very community-driven project with huge exponential potential for growth and gains for you if you guys get in early. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about HQ on Solana, or headquarters. It is a very much a community driven project. Okay, transparency, education, rewards, and what they're doing is building a place that will bring people in crypto together. We've all been rugged, we've all been invested in bad projects, we've all had just some bad experiences. And what this is HQ is trying to do is create a place for people to really come together and be able to have basically solid gains with a good community. They also have this trading bot. Now, I've been using this and you can make some seriously insane gains on the trading bot. I'll dig into that in a little bit, but just massive gains, fully on autopilot. You sit it in there, you put your Solana in, you set the settings on how you want, take profits, keeping moon bags, whatever it is you want to do. And this thing is printing money. Okay. Now, the other great thing about that is these rewards from the trading bot, because they do charge fees and things like that, that gets distributed to the people in the HQ, whether you're token holders or just incredibly active in the community. So it's really interesting. So what it is that every action that you're doing, they also have this basic way of tracking their community members. Okay. So if you're on X or in Telegram, you're active, you're posting, you're bringing people in, inviting new members in, all of this kind of stuff, like you move up in rank, right? Just like you would in the army. You have the specialists, you have the corporal, you have the generals, you have all of this kind of stuff, and you have the top guy down here. I'm not sure what he is, but you got the general and the colonel and the major. So you got all these different guys that you'll move up through the ranks on, and you basically achieve that through just being a good community member, right? Being there, being engaged, joining the spaces, asking questions. You're going to move up in rank, and then you're going to get a bigger piece of the pie and the rewards and things like that. And you also get access to different levels and different things of the education, and it's just awesome. It's a really cool ecosystem. Okay, so this project has just launched. We'll get to the chart, where it's at, where and why I think it's a great point in time to get in. It has just launched. We'll get to the chart in just a few minutes, but I just wanted to kind of come through some of the things that they've achieved. They're following through on their roadmap. They're getting ready to push into phase 2, which is like onboarding KOLs, AMAs. They're going to start doing some really cool spaces. I was actually talking to the team, because I'm actually over there in their TG, and just listening to seeing what's going on. And they're getting ready to start some really cool spaces. They're going to have like conspiracy Sundays, I think, and they're going to have all of these other kinds of really cool things about emotional support for people who've been rugged and scammed and things like this. And so there's a place for people to come and talk and share their stories, and then it will help you grow and become a better crypto investor overall. And like I said, they're also going to be vetting and bringing on projects that you can talk to, check out new projects that are going to be launching. Lots of really cool stuff. That's all I can say. Okay, so definitely enlist now. Solana definitely needs you, and this is it's a really cool community, and I love their trading bot. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right there with that. The next thing I wanted to show you is their X. Now, this was something, their last project that just went out was that they called, or their last big win project was, where was it? I just saw it right here. Franklin the Turtle. They called it at 150. Their bot called it at 150K market cap. Okay, so if you would have been using their bot, you have this thing set up on autopilot and insane gains. Like I said, their bot called Franklin at 150K market cap, and it has done some serious numbers. Like I said, you can check out this chart. They called it at 150K market cap, like right in here. And this thing ran all the way up to a little over $5 million. And right now it's trading at, what is that, 900,000, almost $1 million market cap. So insane gains, absolutely insane gains. And this was a call off of their trading bot, off the HQ trading bot. So like I said, and they have way more wins than losing calls. I mean, so I've been using it, and it really is a great way to get passive income. It's that simple. So check it out. Check out HQ. It's definitely something that I am using, and I really like the community. Now, I'd mentioned that their token had just launched. So if you check this out, guys, it launched yesterday. Now, absolutely great God candle, almost no sell pressure. Look at this. Like, it launched yesterday, just amazing God candle, and it's been trading sideways, very little sell pressure. And today, another leg up. And right now, you know, if you're watching this video, if you're in my VIP Telegram chat, you guys can get in at a 288K market cap. Now, when you watch this video, the market cap might be a bit higher. If you want to get in early on these things, well, follow me on my X, follow me on my free Telegram, and also join our VIP Telegram chat. We were talking about this a long time ago. A lot of our VIP users, they got in and they've been using the trading bot, and it's a great opportunity, especially if you're looking for more of a passive income. If you're even new to crypto, if you're looking to expand and like try to figure out about bots or trading, this is a great place. And like I said, they have a full on, like I would say, type of educational type of system. You can come in here, and if you join their TG, they will definitely walk you through all of the steps. Okay, they have their reward systems, they have their ranking bot, they've got all of this other great stuff that will help move you up in the ranks. And like I said, as you move up through the ranks, there's a lot of other great opportunities. So don't sleep on this one. It is definitely an amazing opportunity. And like I said, if you don't know how to set up the trading bots and stuff like that, go over to their Telegram. It's a great community. They're going to walk you through it step by step and really help you. They kind of hold your hand, and they're going to help you understand what you need to do. And because the idea is the stronger they can build the community, the stronger the foundation and the stronger HQ is going to be, right? So the whole idea is about building community. It's a community first project. It really is. So like I said, if you are looking for a great community, I think that this is a great place to start. So like I said, not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm personally investing in. I have personally thrown a good chunk of money at this token. I'm holding it. I'm going to sit on it because there's going to be, by holding the token, there's also going to be great rewards. Like I said, rev shares on stuff like that with the bot and different ways that money comes in through the ecosystem. All of this stuff gets shared through the whole ecosystem. So as a token holder, you are an investor and you will reap the rewards. So it is a true ecosystem that I think will bring people together, make people money, and help basically educate you so you know how better to move through the crypto markets. And so that's really what I see as HQ on Solana. I think it's a great project. So like I said, do your own research, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. Only invest what you can afford to lose, but only invest what you're willing to make. It is a two-way street. So I think at this market cap, at a $288,000 market cap, this has huge potential. This is the kind of project that could easily go into the 20, 30, 50, $100 million market cap because it's a community first project. If the community wins, the project wins. And that's what it's all about, sharing with the community. So the sky is the limit, because if you're winning, you're going to be inviting more people in, and it's just going to create a bigger, stronger foundation, stronger community. So that's what I see with HQ. So I'm really bullish on this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, but I will definitely be making more videos on this in the future. I think it has a lot of potential. And if you're watching this video, you guys have a great opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a great project. So everybody, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe. Follow me on X. Also follow me on my free Telegram chat. No risk, all reward. We would love to have you over there. And like I said, if you really want to take it to that next level, join our Patreon. It's a VIP Telegram chat, and the link is in the description of this video. We'd love to have you over there. Great community, making great calls, and it's a great place to be. So everybody, pick up some HQ, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.